Right, good morning everyone. Now, I've got two, they're almost identical. I think there's two little items in it, two bits of jewellery that are not the same. But apart from that, they're identical kits. Now, these are the two luxury kits. And I've gift boxed them. They're in a silver gift box. I will wrap it with ribbon as well. And they're the sort of thing you'd have and give as a gift at Christmas. So if you've got a daughter or a mother that crafts and you want to give them a nice gift, this is the perfect gift. However, I have to say it's not cheap. It's a luxury kit, this one. And I do sometimes do them at Christmas because we have a lot of crafters that have mums, you know, craft with the mums or grandmas and that, and they like to give a gift. And this is gorgeous, I have to say. Now, I didn't really want to unpack it, so I've got two identical ones. So what I'm going to do, this is the other one that I haven't packed yet. So I'm going to share that one. It's nearly packed. I don't want to disrupt this one, and I didn't really want to disrupt this one. But you can see I've put lots of different trimmings in, and they're luxury. They're quite bonny laces. You've got a big piece of pink fabric there, satin fabric there as well. But you've got lots of different trimmings. You've got, you know, all different ones. There's different ones in the back. I just didn't want to... It takes a long time to pack them. See, this is beautiful, this. Absolutely stunning. And you've got more underneath. So basically, there's lots and lots of trimmings there. It is, like I said, I'm going to pack that one later. Besides that lot and the box, which you can actually decorate the box yourself, I've put these trimmings in. So you've got that one. Beautiful. Gorgeous. This one. So it's a pink and cream luxury kit. I can't see it, yeah, that way. You've got that in. I'll repack this, and then there's a couple of those as well that you can cut individually. I put a little pack of those in. But then regarding the goods, so I'm just going to share the goodie one. So that's in the kit, and then you've got all of this. This is the only one that's different. It's similar but different. It's a different style. You've all got one of these. These are crystal droplets, and I've given you 3. Then you've got one of those. One of those. I can get them up. The diamante hat, a little pearl dangle. This was an earring. There's a nice big pearl. That was an earring. But they match the colours, you see. Then you've got this one, that one. You've one of those each. This is the only one that's a darker one. But you've got one of, they're identical, and that's slightly different. And then we've got the button one and that one. And then to top all of that, I've shown you that already. I've given you 12 of those. Let me just see. You've got these for your crystal droplets to add to them if you want to make a... one's got cream and one's got pink of that flat back. Large one. You've 6 of those. I think you've... 1, 2, 3, 12 of those. You have 2 of these, 1 of each size. I have put a handmade one in. I've just put them in because they were spare. You might want to do something with it. One's got a different shell in it. I made those. Then you have that one as well. Then you have, I think, yeah, here we are. 3 hearts. And then I did put in 5 of the glass iridescent. petals to make your own flower. Now, what I'm also going to add, so I want to put those back in there because the rest of them are going to go in a bag. Let me just see. I'll make sure I get everything together. I'm going to put the crystals in there because they need to be protected. And that one. And I'm just going to give you enough wire to make yourself whatever it is you want to make yourselves. Fingers. Like, it won't hurt the wire at all because I've not put a bend in them. It's just like that. And I'll just pop that on top. And then I'll just make sure I do one for the other so I don't miss it out. So, like I said, you've got everything you need. And I think that is a beautiful luxury kit. So it's all of that, plus lots of goodies in there. And they're beautiful tassels. They're not cheap. This one's a cheaper one. These are the ones I make. But this is the one, I mean, I do them thicker than that as well, but this is a bought one. So, you know, you're getting lots and lots of lovely goodies. And that's the luxury kit, the Christmas one. It's not red, though. People keep saying, well, why do you do them, you know, not Christmassy? Because people still like Shabby Chic. And I've got to sell them. I will be doing a Christmas one, I think. But for now, I'm just doing these luxury ones as gifts for somebody. Just because you get it at Christmas, it doesn't have to be a Christmas one. Because that can only come out at Christmas, can't it? Whereas something like this, you can keep dipping into all year round. You know, it's not a Christmas one. That's it. I'm doing your orders. I've had some orders in, should I say, and they'll be done ready to go out on Saturday. Don't worry if you've not received your orders. They are arriving. I'm getting messages constantly all the time. Orders are finally turning up. Okay? That's it. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. There's 2 available. Grab them while you can. Bye bye for now.